Your coffee station can go from chaotic to guest ready in just 15 minutes. So let's refresh it so that it's organized and ready for your household and for any guests who will stop by for a cup of cheer. Hi friends, it's me, Simply Sherry, and we are continuing this 15-minute quick reset. We've already done the bedroom floor, the nightstand, and the dining room table. So let's move on to your coffee station. During this busy holiday season, you want to warm up with a nice cup of coffee and some cookies, and you're bound to have guests over, so you're going to be ready. Go ahead and turn on that 15-minute timer, whether it's on your phone or your watch. Put it there by your coffee station. Turn up some music. This is going to go by quickly and you'll be so glad that you took care of this. Number one, clear and clean. Usually your coffee station takes about this much space. Maybe it's a little bit more. So this should only take you about 5 minutes. Take off your coffee pot, your coffee machine, any frothers, mugs, jars of cookies or bowls, napkins, placemats, whatever you have in that area, take it all off. So now you're going to clean it really well. Make sure to get into all the crevices. And now you're going to put back your coffee pot or your machine, any type of appliances that you have. Give that a quick wipe down. This will set you up for a fresh, clean slate. Number two, declutter and restock. Now that your machine and your mugs and your basic essentials are there, you want to go through now, let's say for the mugs. Are there any mugs that you no longer like or don't want to use? Or do you want to switch them out with holiday mugs? Look at your creamer and stirrers and sugar. Do those need to be restocked? Is there any trash? Maybe you have a little trash can that's part of your coffee station. Make sure you empty that, wipe it down, make sure it's nice and clean. Throw away any expired items. Sometimes those creamers are expired or they're no good anymore, even though they're supposed to be shelf stable. And maybe you have some syrups in bottles that need to be restocked, or you just don't like that syrup anymore. Get rid of those. You might have a sign that's for the season and you want to switch that out, or maybe you want to take the sign out altogether and you just want to make it look visually less cluttered. Definitely restock your coffee pods, your sugars, your creamers. Maybe you have different types of sugar or sugar packets. Make sure the spoons are all nice and clean. Number three, add a guest-friendly touch. This should take about 5 minutes and it's your opportunity to bring out the holiday mugs. Or maybe you have a special mug that is larger because you like a good cup of coffee, or you want to add hot cocoa to this coffee station, and because baby it's cold outside, you just want a larger mug. This is also a time where you could take the napkins and add ones that have that festive look on them. You could also add a little teddy bear or a gnome that's part of the holiday season to kind of spice up the area and make it look cute. And you could also put a jar of freshly baked cookies. I love that. I hope that's something that you would consider doing for your coffee station. And so when you or your household or your guests come to that coffee station, it just looks absolutely amazing. And you're going to dive into that cup of coffee and that yummy cookie. It's all about creating a welcoming and warm vibe for you and your guests. Number one, clear and clean. Number two, declutter and restock. And number three, add a guest-friendly touch. If this quick coffee station reset has been helpful, then hit the subscribe button because we'll be doing more resets like this throughout this month. The whole goal of these resets is to help you have a calm and organized, busy holiday season. But if you need a little bit more help, make sure to subscribe to my newsletter. It's weekly. The name is Tuesday Transformations, and I dive deeper there by giving you more organizing how-tos, tips, products, tools, and encouragement so that you can create a home that you love. Stay tuned for the next video where we'll focus on making your coffee table look great again.